welcome to the Wapiti Regional Library Creative Corner. Today we are going to be making a fun game called Cup and Bowl. Cup and Bowl originated among First Nations tribes in Canada. Like many Aboriginal leisure activities, it has a functional purpose. It will help you work on your hand-eye coordination. This is how you play.
The object of the game is to get the ball inside of the cup by swinging it. If you want to make it harder, you can always use a smaller cup and a larger ball, but if you want it easier, use a smaller ball and a larger cup.
If you think that looks like fun, today I'll show you how to make your own cup and ball at home. You can even make your own fun designs on the cup if you wish. Let's begin.
To make our ball and cup, you will need a string, a pom-pom or a ball, and a cup. Ask an adult to help you put a hole in the bottom of the cup. We used a pencil to be safe. You will then take your ball or pom-pom and tie the string around it. Be sure to do a double knot so that it does not fall off. You then take the end of your string and put it inside of your cup through the bottom. Once it is far enough through, pull it further and make a knot at the end. Make sure the knot is big enough so that it will not fall through the hole. You are now done. Time to